Hello people, I gladly welcome you to Trade Blender. Today we are going to discuss about the basic of stock market in short, so let's begin. Before investing, it is always wise to learn the basics of stock market. So first of all, the reasons why we should trade in stock market. 1. You do not need a lot of money to start making money in stock market, unlike buying property and paying a monthly mortgage. 2. It requires very minimal time to trade, unlike building a conventional business. 3. It's fast cash and allows for quick liquidation, that is, you can convert it to cash easily, unlike selling a property or a business. 4. It's easy to learn how to profit from the stock market. But you need to have your basics clear. Unless you do, you will be wasting your time and losing money. You need to be crystal clear of each and every aspect of investments, stock options, stock trading, company, shares, dividend and types of shares, debentures, securities, mutual funds, IPO, futures, and options. What does the share market consist of? Exchanges, indices, SEBI, analysis of stocks, how to check on what to buy, trading terms, that is, limit order, stop loss, put, call, booking profit and loss, short and long, trading options, brokerage houses, etc. Now the important questions regarding stock market. What is a primary market? The primary market provides the channel for sale of new securities. Primary market provides opportunity to issuers of securities, government as well as corporate, to raise resources to meet their requirements of investment and or discharge some obligation. They may issue the securities at face value, or at a discount premium, and these securities may take a variety of forms such as equity, debt, etc. They may issue the securities in domestic market and or international market. Why companies need to issue shares to public? Most companies are usually started privately by their promoters. However, the promoter's capital and the borrowings from banks and financial institutions may not be sufficient for setting up or running the business over a long term. So companies invite the public to contribute towards the equity and issue shares to individual investors. The way to invite share capital from the public is through a public issue. Simply stated, a public issue is an offer to the public to subscribe to the share capital of a company. Once this is done, the company allots shares to the applicants as per the prescribed rules and regulations laid down by SEBI. What is secondary market? Secondary market refers to a market where securities are traded after being initially offered to the public in the primary market and or listed on the stock exchange. Majority of the trading is done in the secondary market. Secondary market comprises of equity markets and the debt markets. Difference between primary and secondary market is in primary market securities are offered to public for subscription for the purpose of raising capital or fund. Secondary market is an equity trading venue in which already existing pre-issued securities are traded among investors. What are equity investments? When you buy a share of a company, you become a shareholder in that company. Shares are also known as equities. Equities have the potential to increase in value over time. It also provides your portfolio with the growth necessary to reach your long-term investment goals. Research studies have proved that the equities have outperformed most other forms of investments in the long term. Equities are considered the most challenging and the rewarding, when compared to other investment options. Research studies have proved that investments in some shares with a longer tenure of investment have yielded far superior returns than any other investment. However, this does not mean all equity investments would guarantee similar high returns. Equities are high-risk investments. One needs to study them carefully before investing. And thus I end my video here. Hope you all learned something out of it. If you have any query, questions, or suggestions, feel free to write in comments below. As my channel is new and just started, please do share, like, subscribe and press the bell icon. I will be making short videos like this on regular basis. So good day to all and happy trading.